Hello my dear students, today we are going to see the number system. What is that number system? In first term itself, we have introduced the number system, but in whatever we have introduced, just we are going to recall the session. Okay, recall in the session. See, listen, we have learned about first one. What is that? Natural numbers. Natural numbers, it is nothing but, excuse me, natural numbers, it is nothing but counting of numbers from start from 1 to up to etc to infinity. Okay, 1 to etc to infinity. Then second one, the whole numbers. What is that? Whole numbers. Whole numbers, it is nothing but starting from 0 to infinity. Okay, 0, 1 to infinity. Okay, this is the whole number. Then natural numbers, it is denoted as n. What is that? Natural numbers, it is denoted as n. Whole numbers, it is denoted as w. Okay, whole numbers, it is denoted as w. Then now after this, integers. What is that? Integers. So integers, it is nothing but it is denoted as z. What is that? Z. Then from minus infinity to plus infinity. What is that? Minus infinity to plus infinity. We can easily say that integers. We can easily say these are the integers. Okay. Then after this alone, we are going to see the rational numbers. What is that? Rational numbers. So before this rational numbers only, we have to know about decimals and fractions. What is that? Decimals and fractions. So because of these, we have to use the rational numbers in 9th standard. In 9th standard, you are going to read the rational numbers. So because of these alone, we are going to taken over the decimal and fractions in the second term. Clear? In the second term for your 7th classes, 7th standard. Okay. 8th standard, you will have the rational numbers first. Next to that only you're having that other things and all. Okay. So you have to know about the decimals and fractionals. So then only you can find out the rational numbers. Rational number is nothing but it will be considered as q. Okay. Then what is rational numbers? Rational numbers which include, see, listen, rational numbers q, which is denoted as q, it is nothing but the formula will be given as, see, the formula will be given as P by Q. What is that? P by Q. P and Q are integers. Okay. P and Q are integers where Q should not equal to 0. Q should not equal to 0. So the rational numbers which is denoted as Q, P by Q. So P by Q is in the form of fraction. What is that? P by Q is in the form of fraction. If we divide the number which is 1 by 2, we get the answer as 0.5. So 0.5 is decimal. So instead of rational numbers, before the rational numbers, we have to know about the decimals and fractions. So whatever the part I have explained you clearly, that is decimals, we are having two part, that is what are they? Integral part and decimal part. Okay, so integral part and decimal part. So from these we can easily find out the decimals. Then we are having the place value in decimals also. Yay. Yep, we are having the place value for decimals. So we have to write that hundreds, tens, ones. Then after the decimal point will arise, because after ones we are having the decimal point. Okay. Decimal point. Okay. Then after this we are having the tenth, tenths, hundredth, then thousandth. Like that you are having the place value. Clear, students? Okay, if you are having any doubt, just consult with me, students. These are the introduction part from number system. We are having more and more things in number system. You should be very clear using number system. Okay, students, we are having a worksheet tomorrow. We will see tomorrow. Okay, thank you, students.